It's really quite remarkable. It's 58 right now over in the Dalles, even with that west wind at 17. So it's just a really warm air mass that we have, and that is going to continue. So I did a little digging and say, you know what, we're going to hit 60 this week. So how often do we do that in Portland in February? Well, not very often. Only 7.2% of the time. If you go back through the entire historical weather record in Portland, 7.2% of the days that we've hit 60 degrees in February. So it's rare, but it does happen, and potentially more often than you might think, and more often than that number would suggest, because there have been 19 years since 1940 where we've had 5 or more 60-degree days in the month of February. Now, most of those days are going to be happening in the latter half of the month as we're getting closer to March and getting closer to spring, but still. And there's been 6 years where we've had 8 or more 60-degree days. So it does happen. It's just a little early, right? Warmest we've ever been in February in Portland was 71 degrees, no surprise, on the last day of the month. As long as it's not a leap year, then the last day of the month. The record for February 29th, by the way, is not in the 70s, in case you're wondering. Okay, we hit 52 today. That's above average by 2. You know what? It's 55 in North Bend today, but yesterday they hit 70, and we're going to see 60s all over the place again by the end of the week. There was a little rain last night, a few sprinkles here and there. We picked up just a trace downtown, and nobody in Oregon really picked up all that much. There's another weather system here that'll potentially help us in that once the fog forms tonight, which it will. It'll help to lift the fog into a low cloud deck tomorrow morning, but I'm not expecting any rainfall from that one either. I'm not expecting any rainfall at all until after next weekend. In fact, until we get to what many consider a holiday. I'm sure, well, I don't know, but I'm assuming you both do. Valentine's Day, a week from today, right? So the week ahead will be dry. It's going to warm up. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the warmest days. Then here's next Monday, Valentine's Day. Some snow in the Cascades finally, and a little rain in the valleys. We are 49 right now, and the freezing level is up at 10,200 feet, amazingly high. All right, on the coast, partly sunny, some morning fog and frost. Highs will be in the mid-50s, but it gets warmer at the end of the week. In the valleys, morning fog and frost, and then becoming mostly sunny. Mid-50s tomorrow, and tomorrow's the cooler day for the rest of the week. Same thing in the Cascades, freezing level 10,000 feet and reaching into the 40s tomorrow, and then getting warmer at the end of the week. Central and eastern Oregon, you'll be sunny and warm tomorrow. We had mid-60s today. It'll be 62 in Bend tomorrow. And for the Gorge, partly sunny, and then after the morning fog and frost, low to mid-50s for highs. So really mild weather. No big east wind, no big west wind, and you should be able to avoid the inversion. Fog late tonight in Portland, and then that'll lift into a low cloud deck in the morning. Then it becomes sunny in the afternoon. We get up to 51. Then 56 Wednesday, 58 Thursday, 60s on Friday, Saturday, near that on Sunday. And there's Valentine's Day for you. Some showers, you know, some good cuddling weather, right?
Yeah. Hey, any